Yes, welcome back. The program now yarn your own. And the matter we discuss today now the matter of power for Obodo Naija. How it take affect us. How it take affect you when they watch us for house. How it take affect Nigerians at large. How it take also affect us when sit down here. We don't also look at from different angles. People they talk say government on their own part they try. People also talk say government they try say corruption don't into the system and make this thing they affect this sector we don't talk about. So we still they carry the matter they go. But before we continue, sharply, I know say get what you want to tell our viewers.
Yes, our viewers when they watch us, if you self get contribution or you get comment for this issue where they discuss, I bet we can go our Facebook page, will be www.facebook.com/wazobiatvng. And if not for Twitter, www.twitter.com/wazobiatvng.
That's your www. You know, call and complete too.
No, www.
So back to the matter, Bodo, will they hear you? So if they talk something about Sharply, say what Sharply talk.
What's about ask me that answer? What ask me that time?
I know ask me talk say because of say like no day. Some company don't carry their kaya come off our Bodo and it don't make so many people dead jobless.
Exactly, you can try remind us say, see, NEPA, then they bring in better transformer. You understand?
Yes.
So people they bring in better transformer, yet we see they get the problems where they get.
The place
China the transformer they give light, I be now under this entire.
Now people now we the cause am now. Now we the cause am because now we say we see the Google the tap the light. When we say you say you know be NEPA. I tell me person will say you know about for NEPA before, but they say they go carry light that someone go carry plier, they go for fuse. Go to check the light. Sometimes they go carry small money, give them like this. They go enter like this.
If they talk this way, they talk. Where maintenance culture can they?
God, now what tell us about that?
Where maintenance culture can they? Because it is also the job of a particular people to say, okay, make we maintain and try protect what we get.
Exactly, they're supposed to be maintenance.
They try their best now.
They don't try any best, but they don't try any best.
The place where they go buy the transformer. They no go tell them there say the thing no good.
No be their job.
They go say na original everywhere.
See, but Ukubi.
Yes.
What is another sample say? According to recent research, research talk say 95%. As in 95% of people when they live for Nigeria, they generate their own light by themselves. That means to say they use gen.
It good.
It good.
Because of where they shop rice today, tomorrow you feel it eba.
You say you do business. You don't say everything well this like the day. Understand me? Because sometimes maybe if rain fall, somewhere they join together they go in the make
okay.
Night. You go extra generator now.
See, what you will try to say because of unstable lights. Say we they lose people they lose work, they unemployment. Because if you expect me to spend so much money on petrol or diesel and house rent, money why they pay for shop, why they take rent, that one how much are they get for the business? Because of this thing.
How to take the use of light.
So because of this thing, this person needs to close down this thing and go back to his place.
Okay, so see, there are angles where they look this thing from, but you get also other angles where we never even look at all. Okay, when they talk about generator, say people they do it in, they give themselves
their own light
exactly generate their own power themselves.
Yes.
Now never even look into the consequences of you using a gen.
It's even much.
You understand?
No,
because that is another angle of it. Because the fact, hear me out. Look, the job of government is to provide light.
Yes.
Okay, in the process where light is not being provided, people look for alternative. And part of the alternative is to do what? Buy a generator that can give them light. Okay, but you're not also looking at the consequences of you using a generator or the consequences of generator fumes in the society.
Exactly.
You understand? Okay, they use gen, they pour out fumes.
And we
you want them to say they affect now?
No.
All those fumes, as people they hear they kill some people. These fumes when they come out from this gen now, as people they hear them, they kill them and they damage some of their kidney problem.
See.
Wait. Bash. I still want to make Bash. Bash, if you still get what you want to continue.
According to what they talk now, because this thing don't kill almost one family, complete family. Because as they sleep, they believe they say their own gen is there beside of their front house like this. They don't sleep. As this thing, they enter their window, they don't hear this thing. Their money comes, say make them wake them up. They don't feel wake up, including their mother-in-law. All the family die. So what did they tell you?
I don't say that one good, but the thing I want people they use they say the people they use gen. Now they go to put them at far place. So that the breeze go to carry the everything they go.
Wait,
go out.
fine. Make them put them far place. Make breeze they can. That breeze where me and you they inhale. You know the effect where you get for our
They cannot go out now. They cannot come out outside.
According to research, medically, that film where they inhale, they cause asthma. Asthma cough. And recent research talk say if it cause cancer. So that's why you go say people know.
These are researches. These are results people don't find out.
Yes.
But let us even look at it. Bodo, they talk say they go for air. Okay, you will be passerby. Person on generator here, for instance. You will be passerby. You just go on your own. The fumes of the generator don't fill the air. You say they pass, they call it inhaler. You know, so that inhaling alone, that thing where you don't inhale, they're losing your lifespan.
Exactly.
Since they know what they don't point, you never hear this thing before.
It depends the fastest with that person. Understand me?
No matter any fast distance, you want them to say you don't get generator for your house. Okay, what time say the day when I don't point, you never inhale this thing. You don't inhale but you never inhale.
No, we need to go test. We need to go test.
You don't do anything for
But we go to bring you back. Maybe we quickly go for this segment. What would they call How We Do It segment? Would they come?
Stevie Wonder. I welcome you now for today's segment on how we do it. On today's matter, we focus on Ogbonge musician wey na the Siso. They born Stevie Wonder on May 13, 1950 from Michigan, inside America. The third pikin inside 6 pikin wey im parents born. Stevie suffer premature birth. This condition can affect his sight wey make am dey blind. The situation not stop Stevie from becoming the Ogbonge person wey im be today. At age 11, Stevie Wonder sing his own song wey dem title Lonely Boy to one group wey dem call The Miracles. This move can inspire Steve to attend one audition. After this audition, na him one Ogbonge label wey dem dey call Motown Stamler come sign am. Steve join body with the labels to produce different Ogbonge songs for people in 1962. At age 12, Steve Wonder released his own debut single titled I Call It Pretty Music, but the old people call it blues. This music been almost break into the Billboard 100. After the break, Steve no relax at all as he released another single titled Fingertips. This song no even waste time to hit #1 Billboard 100 and R&B charts. This song can also turn Steve as the youngest artist ever to top the charts. Steve married the lady wey dem dey call Syreeta Wright at age 20. The marriage no so last as they separate after 2 years. At age 25, Steve win 2 Grammy Awards, and in 2001, Steve come marry another lady wey her name na Kai Millard, and the two of them get 2 pikin. The marriage try reach 2009 when they separate. Steve Wonder achievement don fetch am plenty award, but the one wey carry plenty award pass na Grammy Award wey im don win a total of 22 times. Steve dey happily married to im third wife, the lady wey dem dey call Tomeka Robin Brazil, and the two of them dey expect their babies wey be triplets. Na here we go finish on how we do it segment.
Not even time for birds to fly to southern sky.
Yes, welcome back. Now see that segment. That segment dey to encourage you now. We dey outside there to inspire now to say, "Me not take up decision. We go do it. We go say no. This is enough. I need to take the bull by the horn. make I also take a decision to change my own life. So that is why they bring that segment on how we do it sooner. So back to our matter. Bodo, I want first ask you one question. What do your wife do?
God bless you.
My wife dey sell drink.
Your wife dey sell drink.
Yeah.
Very good answer. Your wife dey sell drink.
No,
What do your wife dey take sell drink?
My wife dey use NEPA. But if flat no dey, she go on generator.
Okay, she go on generator.
Yeah.
She go on generator, abi. What did she take buy fuel?
It's money now.
No be paper, abi.
For this country, everything for this
No
country
be
is
paper,
money.
abi. She be na money.
Everybody say,
She, that money wey she dey take buy
Nothing
that
wey
thing,
was country wey
no
we
dey
shall
reduce your income.
Make I even ask her one question. To see power supply, they steady. You know, say that fuel wey they buy, you no go buy.
In the first
and
place.
another game for them for that angle.
I know that
If
now.
power steady, you no need to buy gem.
At all.
I know
Both
say.
income, the entire.
I know say if like they stand by say you go buy fuel, but you know go blame them NEPA now.
Okay, you get another source of income apart from this. This.
Yeah,
Tell me.
I get.
Okay, what's
I
again?
dey sell frozen. Something
Okay,
before.
frozen
before.
Okay, before. And what do you take power your own this thing? Because everybody they sell frozen something go need fridge, you go need freezer.
Yes. But I dey use NEPA. But sometimes I dey use generator.
Which
So
means
what happen to the business at the end of the day?
Why you make you buy gem? Why you buy gem?
Wait, what happen to the business?
What's the time when they delay now?
Now,
Okay,
now get
bad.
Me,
something.
I no dey do any business apart from this work. Now because NEPA no dey give us light well, now it make me dey buy gen. And this gen, it dey cost me so much money. Half of my salary don't go on top this body, this petrol. NEPA beg.
So don't say the vex.
See, my own. Like Bash talk, now this work I get. But I tell you, if you see where my MD bring list at the end of the month, what would they buy diesel? And they put it in man.
Imagine.
Make them please.
Imagine.
Would they beg?
Our MD dey try. I salute am.
What you go happen now we say, I know say if I give them more time, that is now go exhaust wetin dey in our mind on this matter. But because of say our program no be program wey they give now all the time we na need because we get duration. So for that reason, we go end our topic here. Until we carry another ogbonge matter come now way again next week. As usual, my people, me na just sempe, relax, they watch us. And just they watch this TV station 247. Now, yeah. So until next week, now bye-bye.